Welcome back to Science Delight with another animation. Working of human heart. Your heart is sort of like a pump. It pumps blood around your body. Your heart is divided into 4 chambers, the left and right atrium, and the left and right ventricles. Your heart muscle is made up of 3 layers of tissue. 1 pericardium, 2 myocardium, 3 endocardium. Your heart is linked to circulatory system with blood vessels called arteries and veins. There are 4 valves in your heart. They are 1 tricuspid valve, 2 bicuspid valve, 3 pulmonary valve, 4 aortic valve. The beating sound your heart makes is caused by the opening and closing of its valves. Your heart will beat about 115,000 times each day. Your heart pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood each day. Do support if you learn something. Science Delight.